Everywhere I go, there's a cat. This is a big, stocky orange tabby. He looks like a bull. Full, cold moon. What you doing, buddy? I'm filling a piece of pizza. Godfather's pizza. Make him fat. That'll keep him warm tonight, won't it? Boy, he is a good-looking rascal. Look at him. Hey, buddy. Talking about a junkyard dog. Were you talking about a truck stop cat? Look at that rascal. Meow! 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 Gonna get in the van way tonight? Meow! Meow! Okay, here he comes. Full cold moon. Truck stop cat here at the Loves in Brunswick, exit 29. He is well fed. He is a stocky, healthy looking rascal. What you doing, buddy? And there he goes. He was over on top of that car when I first saw him. We'll keep an eye out for him. I'll see if he'll let me pet him here in a little bit, if I can find him again. All right, Sunday, December 15th, 2024. Let's go see if we can find that cat. See if he'll let us pet him, if we can find him. We're going to have to get some canned cat food and take with us where we can feed these cats. This guy, he didn't look like he needed to be fed. He ate a little bit of that pizza, but he didn't show much interest in it. He is a healthy, stocky looking fellow. And we're down here at exit 29 on I-95 at the Loves. Last time I saw him, he was rounding this curve here. He may be in the bushes there somewhere. Where you at, buddy? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Yeah, it's 42, rainy, drizzly, cold in Arcade. I googled St. Mary's, Georgia 10-day weather. 70 degrees, sunny. I said, I am out of here. And we're going to be checking out an apartment or a room share. Well, I don't know where he is. He'll probably show back up. We'll try to find some food. Maybe we can feed him tomorrow. But anyway, let's get this one uploaded. We may run up to Brunswick tonight and see about Christmas lights, see how the city is lit up or whatever, or we may do that tomorrow night. We need to send an email to this landlord letting her know that we are down here and try to meet up with her at her convenience tomorrow or Tuesday or something other, take a look at the room, decide whether we're going to lease it for January, February, and March or not. And there's another one in Jessup. There's one in Hinesville. There's one in Richmond Hill. But those are too far north, and I could stay, I guess, I could, you know, depending on whether Rebecca has anybody at her house, I could stay with her in Hinesville, but that's too far north. Brunswick is just about too far north, but I can make that work. But anyway, let's get this uploaded. Okay, well, we're going to wrap this up. Head south, find us a place to stay for the evening. Start uploading this, put it together and start uploading it. We'll have 2 sections of Crowbird and 1 section of Satilla River. Satilla River, Woodbine, Georgia. Last time I was here, 2 A-10 warthogs came down and flew right down over the river. And I have that video, check it out. Tide's going out now. The coast is to our right. Inland is to our left. We're looking north. Look at all the debris. US Highway 17, Georgia Highway 25. This is the old railroad line here. I think we'll combine this with the Crowbird video, but I'm not sure if we will or not, but we'll see.